in central Iowa until 8:30 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dallas Center, Oregon, 7 miles north of Adel, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Urbandale, Clive, Waukee, Grimes, Adel, Dallas Center, Granger, Woodward, Redfield, and Minburn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Dallas County, Iowa,